With a dad who owned a tow service, junkyard, and a shop, Kody Garrison began tinkering on all sorts of automobiles at an early age. His background led him to attend UTI and become certified as a Ford technician. After stints at a couple different Ford dealerships, Kody went straight into diesel from there. He opened a shop with a partner and things started off great. However, during a move into a larger shop, Kody's partner lost his life from a lift falling on him, and the business was never the same. Once Kody had recollected himself, he knew he'd have to branch out on his own to make his diesel dreams come true. 3 years ago, he started KG Diesel Performance in Homer, Georgia, and today the three-man shop does a little bit of everything: Powerstroke, Duramax, Cummins, and transmission work. The shop recently built a compound turbo 6.4-liter Powerstroke, and we're going to give you the details in this Diesel of the Week.
This video is brought to you by AmSoil, the first in synthetics. Visit amsoil.com for more information.
I'm Greg Jones for Engine Builder, and today we're going to go over the details of a compound turbo 6.4-liter Powerstroke build done by Kody Garrison of KG Diesel Performance. In fact, one of Kody's favorite engines to work on is the 6.4-liter Powerstroke, so it's fitting that this particular build was one for his personal 2008 F250 single cab long bed. Over the years, Kody has had two other 6.4-liter Powerstroke engines in this truck, and this most recent build marks the third. And with a compound turbo setup, it's the best one yet.
The 6.4 is probably my favorite. It's the most unreliable one because I've done one through 3 engines. But it's my favorite. Slung a rod to the side of the block, trying to get it dialed in. I put too much sauce to it, I guess. A year later, I'm finally getting back around to it and got a freshly machined block and finally got it as a rotating assembly and starting to go back together with it now.
This latest compound turbo 6.4-liter started with a new block and components from Midwest Diesel and Auto. Kody is using Carrillo rods, Mala bearings, and Midwest Diesel pistons that are de-lipped and coated in-house. All the machine work on the build was done by a local company called Eagle Machine. This 6.4-liter has a built-up bottom end, is bored 20 over, features a big cam, and has stock heads that got ported, O-ringed, and machined.
And I remembered I had those turbos, so I slapped the turbos on it, but yeah, it's a 59 over a 72. Well, I did brand new Ford injectors with Dynamite Diesel 100% over nozzles. Pretty much stock valve train. I have River City, I think they're stage 1 billet push rods. Ended up doing BD manifolds, stainless steel up pipes from BD. So I'll probably end up putting some nitrous on it from Nitrous Express.
KG Performance also built up the transmission in-house with all billet internals and a triple disc converter from DPC. Kody says the truck is used as a daily driver, but it has some nasty power when he wants it.
I never wanted to push that one this far. I like driving it daily with those stock appearing compounds. It was a good daily, and I could still run around, great gas mileage, and still had plenty of power to get out of its own way.
They say the third time's the charm, and we hope that applies to engines as well. All said and done, Kody expects the 6.4-liter Powerstroke to crank out around 850 horsepower and around 1,000 horsepower with the nitrous. That does it for this episode of Diesel of the Week. A special thanks to our sponsor AmSoil. And remember, if you have an engine you'd like to feature, please email me at gjones@babcox.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.